is. It's just probably thunder.
Might be.
You can see the lightning, but it's so bright.
It's coming in this way.
Yeah.
The wind is shifting direction. As you can see it. I got it.
Thanks. I didn't grab those. I can't reach that. Oh!
It's pretty chilly. Once you get wet and the wind hits you, it's pretty cold.
Yeah.
But look, that area that didn't have a puddle,
It's now got a puddle.
and now like it's starting to get puddly.
Look at the puddle over there.
Oh, I didn't see that. That's the downside of them laying that tarp underneath the ground.
I should keep that pretty good. I'll take it.
No, I take it real quick.
No, I'm
I want
freezing.
to look over the
I'm
thing real quick.
cold.
I'm still recording. Ah!
Hey,
Just real quick.
damn it. That's my towel from back in the shower.
Oh, really? Sorry.
And then how about hanging out in the rain like nothing? Why did we put our leggings together?
Winston. Oh, you're taking a piss, huh? Come here, Winston. Ow! Ow!
Someone's like, yeah, it's raining.
That's right now. Alright, come here. Winston, look at the thing. Why am I whistling at him like he's a bird? I don't know. I'm just used to it.
Don't drop my towel. I can tell it's falling.
Winston, say smile for the birdie. Ooh, yeah.
Oh, wrong word.
Ah. Shake that booty. Shake it for me. Shake that booty. Shake it for me. Shake that booty. Shake it for me. That's it. Yeah.
Never going away from here.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, golly. Oh, golly. Hey, you're getting my towel on the ground.
It's on the ground? Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Where's it at?
It's longer than that. You ditch it out. It's in the ground.
Yeah, whatever. Just trying to get the dog.
I know, but don't get my towel.
Whatever. He has to come back. Oh.
Ah, now my towel's on the ground. On my new towel.
What's it? Whoop, whoop. Yeah. Oh, yeah. 4K style. Oh, that's not your face. I can't get your face. Camera shy.
Yeah, seriously. Is that thunder?
Wow, look at
Do
those
you hear what I'm
birds.
saying? Like, can you hear what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know. It's
Yeah, like non-stop. Becca bird!
But between night and day, there's a difference in temperature. So I think that would conflict with, like, supposedly, like, how weather works and creates stuff like this, maybe. I don't know.
Look at him. He's like, that's nice. It's raining. Hi, Hound! He looks super
He's
happy.
like, yeah, I like it. It's like nothing.
Good thing he got used to fireworks right away.
This
and
might be
loud
his
sounds.
shower.
Right. Oh man, he's
Oh,
in
there's
a
little
big
bird.
puddle.
I'm just getting a little
Say
bit.
hi. Smile at the camera. Here, we'll look good. Out of whoop, whoop.
Ah.
What? So golly, it's crazy out here.
What?
Crazy. It's crazy. Oh gosh. Woo! Hang on, bird.
Woo.
I think Becca just got blown off the chair.
Super wide. Do that ka-cha. 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 Ah, trying to get my hand. Trying to get my hand.
Yeah, I hear it.
What?
Hi, good bird. Oh my gosh, look at her. You're natural. So it was a bad idea to play out in the rain. It's pretty cold.
Ah, it's not that cold.
And I'm wet.
It's just because, yeah, you're wet.
Yeah, what is that sound?
It's...
Come in here. Come in here.
I know, it sounds like we're almost at like a tarmac and like planes are constantly taking off.
Uh-huh. I don't think I've ever heard that.
If it's thunder, it's all like
Isn't that weird?
up.
And it's so light out, you could barely see the flashes. So there must be tons of them we just can't see.
Oh, yeah, it might be outside of range, constant, boom, 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 boom.
Uh-huh.
But that'd be crazy intense wherever that's happening.
I know.
You can't even tell where it's at.
Look at that. You can barely see them hitting or flashing. But there's always a constant thunder.
Yeah, it's weird.
Right?
Oh, look. Oh, no.
Like, I've never heard this.
It seems like it's passing.